Yo, it's your boy Meets 2 times in the building, Mr. Get Right to Get Left, and welcome back to another episode of Real Talk with M2X, man. Hey, if you woke up today, bro, thank God, because a lot of people ain't wake up today, man. What's up, y'all? I hope everybody doing good, you feel me? If you're going through anything right now, I hope this video helps you out in any type of way, man. And if you need anything, man, I'm here for you. But let's hop right into this video, man. So, the topic I want to talk on today, man, is it's holding you back, bro. And what do I mean by it's holding you back? What's the it's? And that's where you have to find, bro. You have to find what is the it's in your life that's holding you back. That's not letting you move forward, man. And this can be people, relationships, jobs, just a whole bunch of things, problems, anxiety, depression. A whole bunch of things are holding you back right now, bro. And 9 times out of 10, you may not know it fully, but you have an idea of what's holding you back, bro. Of what's not letting you get to the next chapter of your life. Because you're afraid to let it go. You're afraid you got comfortable, bro. And I'm here to tell you, like, you have to let it go, bro. You have to. Because do you want to be feeling how you're currently feeling forever and then it progressively get worse to the point where you don't know if you could pull yourself out of that pit, man? If you keep digging yourself in a hole, bro, you're going to dig to a point where you're going to reach a bottom where you can't dig no more. But you dug yourself down so far that you can't get out of that hole, man. And nobody's going to be down in that hole to help you, bro. The only person that can help you is yourself and God, bro. And I'm going to give y'all some examples of, you know, what held me back for so long, bro. So like I say, I've been doing YouTube for a long time, like not as long as other people, but like for about going on like 3-4 years, man. And I've met a lot of people on this, you know, on this journey when I did my other YouTube. And here's some examples of what holds me back, bro. Is one, trying to fit in with everybody else, bro. You're holding yourself back. And when you try to fit in with everybody else, you're not being your true self. And if you're not being your true self, you're putting on a front. But when you put on that front and try to be like something you're not, you're gonna get punished for it in different ways, bro. You're either gonna be looked at as a fake, a fraud. Nobody's gonna want to be around you, and me personally, I've been through that, man, and I realized that's what held me back. Another thing is, when I was doing YouTube, I started, you know, linking up with people and you know, always trying to give people the benefit of the doubt. Okay, I'm small on YouTube, but I still got about like 2,000 subscribers, and somebody hit me up basically trying to work with me and stuff like that. And, you know, I helped them grow their shit. We took trips, did all that, man. But anytime I would want to go and do more things, they would be like, nah, or like, bro, I don't want to do that. I don't want to, you know, I don't want to be around these big YouTubers because I don't want to eat off of them, which is perfectly fine. But that's not the reason I wanted to be around them. I wanted to be around them to grow. But I let that person's mindset become my mindset. Like, there's plenty of times I could have went to these big YouTube parties and stuff like that, but the person I was with, they were like, no, bro, I don't want to do that. And I'm thinking like, damn, maybe he's right. And I'm not staying true to myself. I'm trying to be like another person. But when you look at things like, subscribers don't mean shit, bro. But when I looked at it, it was like, damn, I'm kind of more successful right now in YouTube, and I'm basically kind of taking him under my wing, but I don't think about it like that. Why am I listening to somebody who's not on the level that I am right now? So that held me back for a long time. Like, you know, I wanted to, any ideas he had, I'll be open to it. But any ideas I had, he didn't really want to, you know, correlate, or he didn't want to cooperate with. And it was holding me back for so long that, you know, me and that person, you know, we not, you know, fuck you or anything like that. We just, you know, do our own shit now. And it's just like, I'm like, damn, I wasted all that time, and I could have been so much farther if I didn't let somebody else's words or thoughts or how they handle things or went about things, control my life for so long, man. And like another thing, bro, relationships with women, man. Like, I don't put the blame on nobody. Like, everything that happens in my life is my fault. But I will say, there's reasonings. I don't make an excuse. Like, my dad not being in my life, it's not an excuse for me to do things. Because an excuse is something that you're blaming it on and you don't want to fix it. But it's a reason. It's a reason. My dad not being in my life is a reason why why I have certain traits, you feel me? But I'm gonna work to not let them traits define who I am in the end, man. That's the difference between an excuse and a reasoning, man. There's a reasoning that porn ruined my life. It's not an excuse that it fully ruined my life. It's not an excuse that I can just blame it on. Yeah, I can blame certain things on it, but if it was an excuse, I would just complain and say, yeah, it's an excuse, and like, this shit ruined my life, and not do anything about it. But we tying back into it's a reasoning behind why it affected my life, but I'm changing it now. So, you know, and I had to let that go. I'm still only probably almost under a week in, but I know I can't go back to that, man. I know I can't. Like, I really know I can't, because if I didn't let that thing go, I wouldn't be sitting at the subscriber count that I have right now. I wouldn't be sitting at the view count. I wouldn't be sitting right here talking to you one-on-one, man. I wouldn't. I really wouldn't. Because I would be trying to keep up with the other people, bro. Not letting go of them. All my friends, I let go of them. Bro, I'm going to go into detail with, you know, I don't condone drugs, bro, but I took shrooms over the summer, and a week after I took shrooms, I lost everything, bro. I lost my girl. A month later, I lost my best friend. And when I say lost, I don't really mean like, you know, they dead, but I don't associate with them like I used to. And then recently I lost another friend that I try to help out, but you know, I got shitted on in the end. And what I realized is my friends that I was around, they held me back for so long because I'm always trying to help them better their life, bro. I'm always trying to help them be like, yo, porn's not good for you, or let's go and do this, bro. Let's go and do this. But they're in a scared mindset, bro. They're in a scared mindset, and that held me back for so long, bro. Really, for real. I would always be stooping down to other people to give them a handout. It's like, you know, I feel like this, like, all right, boom. We climbing a mountain or something like that, right? And I'm always trying to help them, you know, climb. Like, I'm at the top, I'm going towards the top of the mountain, but they're falling behind and stuff. But I'm always reaching down, helping them, trying to grab them back up. But every time I reach down and try and help them, you know, come back up, I'm getting pulled down farther and farther. So, like, I always feel like I'm the smartest person in the room, or the most, you know, the biggest person in the room, were the people that I was surrounding myself with, and always would go down to try and help them and lower my standards, bro, instead of being in a room with like-minded people or people that are above me that I would want to inspire to be like, man. And it was just like so crazy because I didn't realize that for so long. I'm always helping other people out, but they're not helping me out. They're only dragging me. They're drowning me, man. Like Bedros Koulian said, bro. Sometimes you got to punch people in the face and let them drown. Like the soldiers in Vietnam did, bro. They were trained to punch them in the face. If you're trying to help them, you want them to come on this journey with you, but they're panicking. They're gonna panic, drown. They're drowning. They're gonna drown you down with them. So you gotta punch them in the face and go, bro, and hope the best for them, man. And like, I had to let them go, bro, and that shit was hard because it's like, damn, it's lonely, bro. I don't got no friends. But if I would have never did that, I would have never made this channel. I wouldn't have been where I'm at right now, and I'm not, and I wouldn't have been where I'm going to be, bro. I know this channel is my purpose, bro, because like I said, all the times I will be trying to tell them things about bettering their life, or just telling them real shit, like real talk with Meets 2X, bro. I would tell them real talk, but they wouldn't listen. They might listen and hear me, but they're not really hearing me, bro. They're not comprehending what I'm saying. So that's why I was like, fuck it, man. I'm just going to make a channel and I'm going to speak to people and hopefully they can hear me. And it's working, man. It's really working. And that's a prime example, bro. You have to let it go, bro. It's holding you back, bro. Something is holding you back. I'm looking at you right now, bro. You, or sister, or whoever you are, man. Age, race, color, anything, bro. I'm looking at you. You know what's holding you back. And you need to let it go. Honestly. Because it's going to make you more and more farther away from who you're destined to be, man. And there's still things I have to let go, bro. But it's all a process. I'm not just saying let everything go and just hope for the best. No, but you have to eliminate certain things that are holding you back, bro. Like right now, if y'all don't know, a month ago I lost my job. I made a video about it. They called me back. I'm back here. I'm making videos, but I'm back here, man. But I realized, like, once I start getting bigger on YouTube, I can't stay at this job. Because it's going to hold me back. I'm going to have to let it go. Like, this job is cool and stuff like that, but I want to go and travel. I want to wake up and do whatever I want, whenever I want, with whoever I want, at any time. A job is going to hold me back, bro. I'm not going to be able to grow how I want to. So eventually I'm going to have to let this go. But something better is going to present itself, man. And I could go on and on about this, man. Like, even family, you have to let family go sometimes. And that's what I'm in the process of right now. I love them to death, but they held me back in so many ways because there's no support there. There's no love. There's no affection. I get more love from a random person I just met in 5 minutes than my own family, man. And I don't blame them because I've never been the type to blame people. My family's big on that. They always blame other people for their problems. I don't blame them because their parents didn't show them love. So how do you expect somebody to show love when they weren't showing love or they don't have self-love? That's what I had to realize. That's why I couldn't show love. I couldn't show love how love is supposed to be shown. Because, yeah, there was times I was loved, but a lot of times I wasn't. And the people I was loved by wasn't my actual family. So it's hard to, I understand it, man. It's hard. Why do you think our generation relationships are so fast and fucked up, man? We got single mothers. We got fatherless children, bro. We got people who don't have the right parenting, man. So we're lost too. And I don't fault anybody for that because you weren't taught it. But you can't let that stop you or blame you, bro. You know what they say, bro? Don't let your girlfriend stop you from finding your wife. And I don't mean it in the aspect where if you dating a girl, go cheat on her, bro. But if you feel like this girl's holding you back, bro, let her go because there's something out there better, man. For real. I let all my friends go and now I got y'all, bro. I started meeting people that correlate more to me, bro. It's lonely, bro. It's trust me, it's lonely, man. How you think I feel, bro? But you have to go through some type of challenging journey. You have to go through a storm in your life, bro. But after every storm, there's always a rainbow and there's always sunshine, man. And a beautiful day. So just remember that if you're going through anything hard, bro, there's gonna be a brighter day, man. There's gonna be a brighter day. But you have to let things go, bro, that's holding you back. Resistance. There's resistance in your life and you know what it is. You're afraid. You're afraid of, is the grass gonna be greener or grayer on the other side? But you have to take that risk, bro. You have to. Because if I didn't start speaking about my personal life on here, bro, I would still be depressed and I would still be just becoming less and less of a valuable person, bro. I would be an NPC, as y'all like to call it. I would be in the rat race, man. But that's not me. And you know if you're watching this video, that's not you. You know you're special. Sometimes I feel like I'm the black sheep of my family. But you know what my grandmother told me the other day? She said, Demetrius, you're not the black sheep. You're the white sheep and everybody else is the black sheep. And I really thought about that and like, damn, you're right. Because black signifies darkness and negativity. And bright and white signifies, beauty and positivity and stuff like that. So don't feel like you're the black sheep, bro. You're the white sheep. My family hates on me, bro. And they call it love because, like I said, they don't know how to show love. So love could be like, oh, look at him. He's trying to do this. And it makes them feel good inside, like putting somebody down. But that's not love, man. That's the enemy working towards trying to bring me down, bro. I know how it is to not have, I don't know how it is to not have, no family at all, but it damn near feels like it, bro. They only call me when they need some. They only hit me up when they're going through something. They don't check up on my phone, be like, yo, Meech, how you doing? Nobody do that. And I could say there's one person or two people right now that do that. That's my godmother, and that's a mentor that I just met doing TaskRabbit not even 2 weeks ago. A grown man wanted to help me out, bro. That's not even my family. I met 2 weeks ago, and he's showing me more love, inviting me over, because I spent Thanksgiving by myself, man. By myself. And he's like, bro, that would never happen again. You're going to come spend Thanksgiving at my house. So you have to bro, you really have to let things go, bro, that's not serving you no more, man. It's holding you back from your potential, man. Listen to me, bro. It's holding you back from your true potential. And I want y'all to know that, bro. I wouldn't be here right now speaking to you right now. This video would have never popped up on your timeline. If this is not a coincidence, bro. This is a sign from God that it's holding you back, bro. Your thoughts are holding you back. You're holding yourself back. Other people's thoughts are holding you back. Whatever's holding you back, bro, let that shit go in the wind and go for what you want, bro. If you feel like your state or where you're living at right now is holding you back, find a way to get the fuck out of there, bro. Because that's what I'm in the process of doing right now. And then you try and trick your mind, oh, I'm comfortable right here. Well, I wouldn't have to do this. You have to be uncomfortable, bro. You have to be uncomfortable sometimes. You think I'm comfortable getting on here, 200,000 people watching me bring an addiction on here, bro? I would be caring, oh, they're going to laugh or they're going to know. No, fuck that, bro. It's real talk with M2X, bro. I'm going to speak the real shit. So just let it go, bro. It's holding you back. But with that being said, man, it's a little rant, but it's facts, bro. But, stay motivated, stay blessed, stay disciplined, and most importantly, stay consistent. Because you're never going to get where you want to be unless you don't stay consistent, man. But that being said, man, I'll catch y'all in the next video, man. Gang.